If you don't know the thing, don't talk about the thing.
But say obi o Ghana ha ope omampeni na nado asem a eyeme me be kire odi ntia eyeme. Why? Na ma kire mo say Ghanaians, we are our own enemies. Ene ma yempanyimfo no omunya hihye papa amaye no. Yempanyimfo no omunim de ye ene de ye mo omu ne omobusua. Sebi mpreduasa. Ene me ka kire Yahuda, eda na Yahuda eye lesson bi. Na wo kasa bade 100 million abano. Ena Yahuda akasa bisa me ba Yahuda na tia no. Na me first Yahuda ko delete video no. Wo be kasa but mpanyefo ye careful. Na se konwa na esi wo no wa. Ye de wo kwotena so a we ntekita ma be bodam. Hwe democracy na abrofo de aba no wo. Wo kwotena konwa na so pe na ahoma bi akekere wo nan. Don't blame Nanado. Don't blame John Dramani Mahama. Don't blame nature. Say, Yamomunye free. They can deliver because Paul Kagame is doing it. It is not easy. But before no, you will subi. Say ye sooner ye one. And no ye paying for boy abro. And the entity no man paying. And too many problems, important issues. Drinking water could be proper drinking water, no basic cathedral. That is what the people want. We are our own problems. Ye cause problem, black people. And maybe how to vote. Mama will say, ye can be any opinion for deliver. When the casa Nanado nim said you boo mine. When the casa John Dramani Mama can't deliver. You will soon buy me. Opinion for him, dear Yamaye. And dear Yamomo. Fly Star House, dear. Omunya Bambo Mope. Oh, be video be. She video no. Fly Star House, where do you see?
Yeah, minority leadership. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm not using the mask because 2 days ago we had the opportunity of meeting the WHO and the Minister of Health. And they cautioned. Honorable, I will not allow. Mr. Speaker, I'm reading. Honorable, please. Because we are using it. Please, if you don't want to wear the mask, please keep your reason to yourself. There is education on it.
Kralo, Ghana is in crisis. Coronavirus na bana yetiam. Italy for ne frame omusumo. Awon sikure gome. Italy for ne frame ya ebi su. Ebi nyaya omusi Ghana omuntu kwan bio. Me be kire kwan also faso na woto aba. Hwe. Se aban e ka kire yen se we $100 million e dia to ho e be fight coronavirus a. Anka ye excellent. Say $1 billion to save even a single citizen, I will be proud. Yem betna en kasentia ban bi keke. Obi kachem say, adana one friend the previous government. Me start Facebook da ben. Ti aban you beba power bia no. E be puti pressure na we deliver. Because we want transformation. In Crawford, what gifts and talents, to be transforming Africa. Yeah, in Krabi a man. Me to say, Lady Biwo University, one of the universities or they say banana or say cassava, BB, and what the plastic. They need push. Now can you banded plastic? Me who ni Ataka one, Mantini Kabio, Apostle Kojosafo, and what's one. Yeah, Kenya team now. Coronavirus abano hwe de youth ni biaye menia Ghana fon pay for her mi wie me nyambe kasa de ntia o se kwan obefa so ato aba me kire wo Nanado youth ne se men kan kire wo nda course amenya o masi wa legalize marijuana enye ne hye no e discover beba enya anko be jai scamming ye be mi se ye be dua de ne ma wo ye mu ahye nana de aka my free port. Say ye free port wa. sika no mo je wo port no mo auction amanfo sweat money no too much edwedifo ne ma bedru port kura omuntumi yi edwuma na bi ni ho de wakra ne ma ba bedru port na wo yi ne ma e de abegu shop mu na wafa workers 3 4 5 10 20 15 no mo aye edwuma no sika obetua wo port nti ontumi ntua ne ma no e na wapam young ladies ne say mun kofie na mentumi yi me ne ma young ladies no so adane ya shawofo empanyifo e pam chew hwe Speaker of Parliament baby awenye duri oyi owu anaye den enso yeah bekasa otu say na Abraham and no put pressure on the president. Yes, he's my president. He told me I shouldn't be a spectator. I should be a citizen and it is my right. Say mekasa atem didie na min to min didie na nado atem me coronavirus e bai ensa wohuru keke ebeye a matter of urgency e wo man nim no hwade a youth na inventi o man panyini me pa chew hwe twaweni universities no e pa chew o man panyini o mo ya agriculture o man Ghana me ka kire yawoda hwibaro wo hwibaro ye ni bi o man na kasa ebrebi na Ghana e wo cocoa farms so up to today sa cocoa farms na wan e wo se yenya farms a e the state owned goyi plantain goyi rice goyi o man dia unam Accra e Kumasi a e vradi nyankopon e wura na gugo yo hey me ya the $100 million abba minua wo ye Kristo ni wo ye nkremoni na wo ka kire msasema mi kan ubedidi matemu a ubebre enwura if asase ena dawo oko Volta regional minua fertile land and the gukono nation ni kure ni rice farm ye ni cocoa farm ye ni sugarcane farm eda Malcolm Abrosan no ebu ye no eni ehu se Ghana pickers ye ni bi ye quarantine eye Israel enkraman ene be yi nipa every Malcolm. Oh, what are you telling me menua ye di agro hey aden tende o ka kire you to be say go into agriculture na ne yemu ahye no o catch the youth to say go into agriculture officer your punishment and through critical moment any yi sika de ma university student medical student say munye research na monpa kio to coronavirus anka Ghana adani a nation ye boy abaso we see youth no talent share coronavirus ba critical kokoro nsa woro part bi ba no hye bobo aka chen say o mampanyini masa ye ni university wa ha ye ni school ye ni nsuo ti bembe kan kire ye say ye uba ye ho beto ye yema ye na ye ntoma politics no a dirty game ye nkoni clean na adum nim say kwan mu na woto ade na so pamu free ho opamu abeto atia no opamu onye obone mu ankasa mu area ho bebia obi esi ni dan a ensuo to ne eyiri ne kunipa no e wo se ye be budan no by the other back ne ye be budan na ubeto atia no we are our own enemies men tum rumuda engu gatem na gata ni nkotoku na wonye video ensuo to na gata ni ibeyiri a na wonye video nsane me say Abraham it is nanado nonsense nanado ena de gata ni enwura ndigu gata ni yakasa abanya eyemene wo nanado enye ne pe no de kotena wo eyemene wo ene ma ne kotena soro yeye yi mpanyimfo no wonu ka ka se panyini bi ejimi aye ejimifo ene yi panyini jimi se ukaso man panyini ni wajimi a eyemene wo ne yi panyini jimi onyimi onimunyansa but they want to stay in power. They look for what the people want and they deliver. Opa so otena ka akwam ton ade ti on pa no tena ho e da ka beti afa ho ebe ku no wo be so lefri ho o ma yenyi wa adwim ye fra de bi for the greater good
If it were up to the doctors, they may say, let's keep it shut down. Let's shut down the entire world because, again, you're up to almost 150 countries. So let's shut down the entire world. And when we shut it down, that would be wonderful. And let's keep it shut for a couple of years. You know, we can't do that. That's why I talk about the cure being worse than the problem. We can't have the cure be worse than the problem.
So we should point out that CBS News has not heard any recommendation from any doctor about a multi-year shutdown, although certainly a short-term shutdown is on the way.
And United so demonstrate you.
Oh, because I know they don't need it. Shatawale and the stone by the Yomasam, Satawa and the stone bomb billions or mega or more best no movement of matter. Why be? By a chain who come my chair, see you.
A brevia, can the Japan cracker say, Yanfa woman funum crofono, Ghana for Koye de release Kennedy Japan.
It's Abraham, a cool way. How can you tell the leaders say they should do something when you're not telling them what to do? Coronavirus has same as here. Make a school. Yeah, two more. Yeah, close to school, but you go to school online. School no because of the way our virus, number in case in the increase on New York, School has send email so PR fan address and browse your laptop. You better send laptop bro. Fire because who go school where assignment PBR online. A profu or one na Joe or more lab. Big medical experts in that is here more lab or more can you mabo. Say we on bigger cure. For the area, what's the one more buyer? What try say, Poli, one I don't know what Poli, no, one city power, no chemicals in boom, no find the cure, no find the
best now, no more the vaccines, but no one's a big Kunya account.
Abraham, basically, a Poli because you are late. Just as so bad or bad, yet your money. Ghana, what you need to do about cool fish, about big fish. Yes, yendo, yes, I turn a phone ID in Konya, everything.
Bacho, CSF. Mon the enti am say a man in freno. Mon wisdom or ban spete wa. Me see a man ya mon frɛ ye bepe special number for the women. Me phone ba kwa say ye bepe special number for the women. Look at the knowledge and wisdom this lady is spitting.
Me mixed with a lot of tribe. Into me send so more. Come send them my baby. Me now the baby can all can ask him or say so be tia on so now. Una ye tia on who can say abush.
Onjai.
If you can know what power man now do. That's a who push it. Say who you your come on. Say you right. They say I think I can out find our answer. In this condition, I know America, New York City, New York City, America shut it down. You can a shit hole. Who bought it? Check the thing. Go on my own. Yeah, go on water. I'm on fire. Not the case. Anybody near you? They say, and I'm 11 and I'm 16.
19.
What?
I was 21. They said 21. I said 21.
Abraham,
me say ya bro nipa ne bro 15,000 yeah ye hu hwe
it's me corona ne o kan se bi fiti ase no say enye se bi ya re na e wo na ya wudo be so nya bi do me ka say what would say me bi ase obu so bi and I want to be them because of corona. My sincere condolences to you.
Yeah.
But I be the pass say I know we have because and time after Abraham make us say try me ya o he Ghana should be on my toilet from when you go public toilet. Abraham public toilet.
But public toilet no. When you have public toilet no very amazing because who drew what you were rubber balls, you were blue, you were green, you were pink, violet. No way choose who color. Oh, cornea. No one say. 20. Now imagine say obroni bi aba visit. Now what it teshi nungwa. Now the na ko public toilet. Na all kofa rubber bowl blue. Hey, brother. Hey.
This is my truth. You don't have to accept what I'm gonna say. But a corona ne wo Ghana pa enka Ghana for ka wu amu be wu.
Yeah, good
Because
rough.
toilet no so na wo on the ground public toilet no. Obi aba ko tẹ egu mu hwehwe.
What one?
Na wo say ji hit ni nyina sa dia ba wu fi.
Ajay.
Care for the people. Malaria is killing people more than
Yeah. Yeah.
Malaria, it's another 100 billion or hollow. Never fighting malaria.
Sado.
What one of my Chesicano is not big air. Timakuman, no, I don't forbid a ama, Baboni DNA. There be our council or see princess won't find your one. Won't find your because they now ready. Ghanaians yet the energy to Adia ain't here, they ain't here. And when I did to Tiffany for us on both, sit on the piano, they care about.
Yes. Yeah, Yamo Quine. Yeah, Yamo Quine. Wow.
It's Abraham, I'm going to come for now.
Challenge. Let us say.
Let us say.